Hamas says Gaza talk pointless while Israel continues starvation war. A senior Hamas official has said the armed group is not interested in future talk on a new Gaza ceasefire and hostage release deal while Israel continues what the called it starvation war. Israel cut off all humanitarian aid from entering Gaza 9 weeks ago and later resumed its military offensive, saying it was putting pressure on Hamas to release hostages. But Bassem Naim said there was no point in any negotiation while the blockade remained in place. His comments came after Israel's security cabinet approved and expanded offensive which could see the forced displacement of most of Gaza's 2.1 million population and occupation of all the Palestine territory indefinitely. Israel also intends to replace the current aid delivery and distribution system with one channeled through private companies and military hubs. The UN's humanitarian office has rejected that idea, saying it does not live up to fundamental humanitarian principles and appear to be a deliberate attempt to weaponize the aid. On Monday, the Israel military spokesman said its expanded ground offensives in Gaza would seek to bring home the remaining 59 hostages, up to 24 of whom are believed to be alive, and achieve the dismantling and decisive defeat of the Hamas regime. The operation would take place on a wide scale and involve the movement of the majority of the Gaza Strip's population in order to protect them in a Hamas-free zone, he added. An Israeli official briefed the media that the offensive would also include holding the terrorist territories, moving the Gazan population south of its defense, denying Hamas the ability to distribute humanitarian supplies. A second official said it would not be implemented until after US President Donald Trump's visit to the region next week, providing that he called a window of opportunity to Hamas to agree a new ceasefire and hostage release deal. Bassem Naim's comments on Tuesday seem to counter that.